Right, here's the question then, and that's the function, and here's the curve. All the information for that curve, and I'll scroll down now to the next part, and here's the questions for it. Okay, I've summarized it over the page for the solution now. So the first part is sketch fx plus 2 when this is f of x, and state where it meets the x-axis. So let's have a look at this then. Shifted horizontally then, isn't it? Across the x-axis. So basically when x is 1, f1 is 0 here. That value for this to be 1 would be minus 1 here, wouldn't it? That would give f1 and that would be 0. So that point is moved over to here at minus 1. This minus 3 point, to get minus 3 you'd need minus 5 here, wouldn't you? So that's shifted back 2 as well. So it's translation back 2 units horizontally, isn't it? So that's what we've got then. Okay, sketch fx plus 2, so we can sketch it now, can't we? Because it's going to come up, it's going to come down, go up, back up and through there and round. So let's sketch it. So it's the same curve, just shifted over those 2 units. So what was happening? Oh, I think I've just done it wrong here. Yeah, okay. So it comes down here, doesn't it? Around, turns, and goes back down. Okay, let's have a go at it then. Comes down here, turns, around, goes back up and back down, like so. This area here is not too cleverly drawn, is it? Let's just get rid of that and put that in again. So I've got a digital pen, so it's difficult to draw it accurately with that. But I think that's just about okay. And this would be fx plus 2. Okay, so we've done that one, state where it meets the x-axis. Meets x-axis at x equals minus 1 and x equals minus 5. So that's part A. Write down the equation of fx plus 2. Okay, well there's f of x, so I'm just going to drag that and use that. So let's keep that in mind then, and we'll write down fx plus 2 now. So there's f of x. So here fx plus 2 is equal to, well the x becomes, the something becomes the x plus 2. So it's x plus 2 plus 3, which is 5 squared, and then it's x plus 2 instead of here. X plus 2 minus 1 is x plus 1. Okay, so that's part B. Use B to find where f of x meets the y-axis. So when does this meet the y-axis? Well, when x is 0. Now fx plus 2 is equal to, now meets the y-axis when x equals 0 is what we want. So let's put that down. When x equals 0, f of x plus 2 is equal to, put 0 in here, 5 squared. And then we've got 5 squared, 0 in here times 1, which is 25. So, a bit worried about that. But no, that's what it is, 25. That's fine. That's where it meets 25. Okay, good.